2008 that RBD machine shop has been established by Mr. Ricky B. Davino, the owner of the business. Due to the increasing vehicle users, the reser-facing services is also rising. In 2014, the company introduced reser-facing machine through the Department of Science and Technology Small Enterprise Technology Upgrading Program or DOST setup. With the technology intervention, the process of reser-facing includes delivery of engine, the assembly of component parts, measuring of deck surface flatness, mounting of the engine block to the reser-facing machine, milling operation, and unmounting of the engine block from the reser-facing machine ready for reassembly and return to the customer. The technology intervention contributes 15% up to 20% of the business's total sales. With DOST set up, reser-facing adds to the major services of the business, which includes machining, reconditioning, fabrication, reboring, welding, drilling, shaping, vertical milling, machining. Although the setup intervention period covers from July 2015 to June 2018, the company has already refunded by as much as 90% of the total technology cost, which makes it able to avail for Phase 2 with the program. This is RBD Machine Shop, the best setup adapter in Negros, Oriental.